is the Whitewater Rafting. Alabama's that side over there, and we are on Georgia. It is called the Whitewater Express. Ooh, you gotta be careful, there's a lot of rocks here. That's the Georgia side. Kayakers.
Oh, you see that, Mommy?
Oh, he's doing tricks. This is where they learn to do tricks against the water. The very rough water, that is. Let's take you over there so you can feel just how strong this water is. You can't feel it, but you can see it. It's quite strong. This brings in a lot of business to Georgia. And people come here from all over, what I'm being told, like us, just to get part of the rapids. It's amazing what you see if you just go out there and do it. That across the way, I don't know if you can see it, is a zip line.
Yeah, it's zip line.
Wow, they might be going in. They might be ready to go in. Boogie board or something. Ooh, it's rough. Maybe we can catch them. Boogie boarding. Sometimes you could see people come down in the yellow boats. Maybe somebody is, I don't know. Soon. There's camera people waiting here, so I guess so. This little girl's gonna fall in the water. Yeah, it must be hitting a rock right there. And that's why it's jumping up like that.
Because it's all the way over there too.
Oh yeah, you're right, it is. Well, I hope they come down soon. I hope that's what this lady's waiting here for. Maybe to get the people when they're coming down, so they must be coming down soon.
But it's really nice to sit down on the rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah, like have a picnic.
Yeah, you can have a picnic. People do that, I guess, I'm sure. I know people fishing here.
Yeah.
I think this is the Chattahoochee River. I don't know if you want to eat anything from here, but they do fish.
Well, it's signed a contract.
For what?
For fish.
To fish? I don't think so. That was that little lake we went to somewhere.
Oh yeah.
This is actually a river. The legend is that during the Prohibition era, there was casinos and stuff, and they threw all the slot machines in this river. And I'm sure they're buried down here somewhere, along with a lot of the soldiers, unfortunately. But that's the story. There's a lot of illegal stuff going on in Alabama, on the other side right over there that you can see, on the other side of this river, and a lot of illegal gambling and drinking, and the soldiers would go over from Fort Benning to Alabama, and a lot of them ended up with cement shoes, and a lot of the machines ended up being dumped in here. Where? Who knows? And if they're still here, they're swept away somewhere. And you really can't dig for them with this going on here. But that's the story, so I'm told. I really wish we could see somebody. I'm gonna go on the other side, see what we can see. Maybe people are practicing. I'm not sure. Old buildings. I don't see anything yet. This is where they get out. It's a little calmer. They get hit with a rock if I'm not careful. Alright, I'm going to continue this later. Part 2 is when somebody actually in the water and we could see them jumping around the rapids.